On the 7th of May, votes will be cast for 6 constituencies in West Bengal. But the real biggie is on the 12th, when 17 constituencies will go to the polls, all of them crucial to the fate of all the contesting parties. Now, among those 17 is the Barakpur seat, where CPM's Subhashini Ali is taking on the Trinamool incumbent MP Dinesh Trivedi. And what's their biggest bone of contention? He says Subhashini is an outsider. She was, after all, once an MP in Kanpur. She says all this talk of outsider is dangerous and would rather focus on people's issues.
Somebody, not even from Bengal, coming from Kanpur and had no connectivity, forget about Barakpur with Bengal also. I'm sure people don't appreciate those things. So they say that if you are such a big leader, you should have contested from Kanpur. Why did you leave your constituency?
One of the things that the Trinamool is saying about you is you are an outsider.
You see, I think that word should not be used in India because nobody is an outsider. We all have the constitutional right to fight elections anywhere, and Bengal has got a very proud history. Even Dr. Ambedkar was invited to fight from here.
Subhashini Ali is very touchy about the insider-outsider debate. She would rather focus on issues before the voters of Barakpur, foremost among them closed factories and consequent joblessness.
He made very wild promises that he would reopen all the factories and set up new industries, and he was not able to actually make good on anything.
But as Dinesh Trivedi campaigns across Barakpur, its poorest parts, he has his response ready, and it is not polite.
Unfortunately for Subhashini Ali, she has got the reputation of closing all the factories in Kanpur. And they know about it.
Indeed, it is boiling down to a bit of a dogfight in Barakpur. Since 1989, it was a left bastion held by Torit Tobdar of CPM. But in 2009, Dinesh Trivedi unseated him, earning the epithet Giant Killer of Barakpur. But in the last 5 years, Trivedi's performance has predictably not pleased all.
जो रोड वगैरह था पानी का बहुत बेहतरीन हो गया, हॉस्पिटल ठीक है, म्युनिसिपैलिटी ठीक है, अभी बहुत पहले से बहुत बेहतरीन है।
हम नफरचंद जूट मिल में काम करते हैं।
कौन सा?
नफरचंद जूट मिल।
अच्छा।
वो 4 दिन सप्ताह में चलता है और हम लोग 4 दिन में जो पगार मिलता है उससे मेरा फैमिली नहीं चलता है।
तो आपने दिनेश त्रिवेदी को नहीं बताया?
किस ढंग से बताया? वो हमसे मुलाकात हो पाएगा? हम लोग तो बहुत आम आदमी हैं।
का ऊपर जो भरोसा किया था बैरकपुर का जनता लोगों ने, कुछ काम नहीं बना।
तो सुभाषिनी आली आने से कुछ फायदा होगा?
फायदा उसके लिए हम लोग आशावादी है।
Subhashini Ali is certainly banking on this disenchantment. However, no one is betting which way the winds will finally blow. After many years, Barakpur is seeing a quadrangular fight with the BJP and the Congress muscling in. Most say they will cut votes. The mystery is whose votes, the Trinamools or the CPMs. In 2009, Dinesh Trivedi had won with a margin of 56,000 votes. But Torit Tobdar of the CPM had won in Barakpur 6 times with nearly 50% of the votes every time. So the big question is, will Barakpur repeat history? If so, whose history? Dinesh Trivedi's or Torit Tobdar's? The answer to that question will determine if Subhashini has to return to Kanpur or change her address. In Barakpur with GD Shankar, Manideepa Banerjee, NDTV.